We just got this 4-in-1 chopper from Fullstar and I have not used it yet, so we are gonna try it live right now and see how it works. It does chopping, it does spiraling, it does ribboning. We're just gonna give it a go and see how it works. So you just open this part here and you actually have the blades here, and it comes with 2 different sizes. So if you want bigger pieces or smaller pieces, be very careful. This is really, really sharp. So let's just go ahead. So I have the small little grate that actually locks in. It's really great. You can just take it out when needed, pop it in, and lock it in place. So we're just gonna take these onions that I've cut. So normally I would sit here and be dicing them, and apparently you just close the lid and let's see what happens. No way, look at that. That took like 2 seconds. Oh my goodness, normally when I'm cutting, it takes me a really long time. All right, let's try the bigger one and let's do these peppers and let's see how that works out. So same thing, just take these peppers and this is so awesome. This is going to change all of my meal prepping. I'm super excited. All right, let's try with the cucumber. So what you do is you have this and you have 2 different ones. As I said, you have one for the ribboning and the spiraling. So I'm just gonna put that in there. We're gonna lock it in place. We're gonna take our cucumber, we're going to put it in there and just start spinning. Okay, my cucumber is really, really big. Obviously, if you get thinner ones, that is so cool. So of course, and it has the other one too, so that it's got more of like that jagged edge. You guys, this is amazing.